Hello, Finders. So this is a quick video before we end the day to answer the question sa isang message natin kung bakit mas mataas ang in-house financing interest compared sa bank financing or Pag-ibig or other financing institution. So to answer that, in-house financing kasi is asking minimal requirements. So, it's an escape for those walang maipakitang payslip or proof of business or capacity to pay. So, mas mataas siya. May mga tao talagang may kaya naman magbayad pero they want to skip the part na ayaw na nila magbigay pa ng madaming documents and it's okay for them to pay the interest. Other reasons naman na hindi din talaga sila pwede sa mga financing institution kasi kunwari may mga unsettled credit card payments or masyadong mataas na yung edad. So, in-house financing is actually a good option. So, basically, naninigurado yung uutangan mo na makakabayad ka or makakabayad tayo. So, kung in-house financing, direkta ka kasi magbabayad sa developer. You skip the part na madaming requirements. Okay? So, I hope you answered the question. Till next time, Finder.